And so, with your protocols configured and outputs set, the next step is to see how this data integrates with creative software platforms. As an example, for TouchDesigner, we can use all of the protocols, but in this example we will use the OSC protocol. Just copy the IP address from our software and paste it into TouchDesigner in the Local Address tab. Then, ensure you enter the same port values as in OnInOff to establish a proper connection. Here you can see how the interactive data is transmitted from our software to TouchDesigner. This data can be mapped to control elements like 3D object movement, visual effects, or animations, enabling dynamic visuals that respond in real time to the inputs captured by our system. Then, also in Unreal Engine, the process is almost identical. So same as before, using the OSC or UDP protocol, you copy the IP address and port values, paste both of those values into Unreal Engine, and then click play on the top tab to activate the scene. Here you can see live interactions as data is transmitted from our software to Unreal Engine. New items appear as objects enter the calibrated area, demonstrating how our system integrates with Unreal Engine to create responsive and interactive environments. And that's it. You've now learned how to configure your outputs and integrate them with various creative softwares. Thanks for following along, and don't forget to keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible. And most importantly, have fun creating.